What's up, my Chuckle crew? Welcome to my YouTube channel, your front row seat to the wildest construction bloopers ever. We've scoured the web to find clips so funny you'll be laughing harder than a bulldozer on a sugar rush. From scaffolding shenanigans to tools with a mind of their own, we've got it all. New videos drop daily, so hit subscribe, share your craziest stories, and let's keep the laughs piling up.
It is dangerous to do this job alone. This is why we should learn both theory and practice. Will the arm last until the job is done?
Yo, my laugh lovers! How epic were those construction bloopers? Did my crew of hard hat comedians have you laughing so hard you nearly sent your phone flying like a rogue crane? Hang tight, the clips coming up are so side-splitting they'll make a jackhammer blush with envy. We're talking workers inventing new ways to trip and machinery staging their own slapstick show. Leave now and you'll be kicking yourself like a worker who forgot his toolbox. Haha! Smash subscribe, drop your funniest comments, and let's build a laughter skyscraper.
Okay, so the car was disassembled for free. Expected productivity. The ultimate plot twist on the road.
We're out of here. Hope you laughed till you forgot your own name.
Thanks for watching. Meet me at 7 p.m. daily. Bye-bye.